Year 7. Hope you're doing well. Happy Monday. Just a reminder for the next couple of weeks leading up to the end of school, we're going to be going into a revision phase, so there will be no new curriculum really done. It's more just going to be consolidating some of the things we've already been taught in class just to make sure all of our basics are really, really solid before you guys leave for the summer. So we're actually going to be revising how to round and estimate, which is again something we did in class. So hopefully a lot of this will bring back some old memories. All right, the first one I'm going to do. So I need to round 107 to the nearest 10. So don't forget in class, the first thing we did is we identified where the tens place was. So this is the tens place. It's currently a 0. So thinking back to what we learned in class again, we need to think about, is this number closer to 100 or is it closer to 110? Since that would be the two numbers that it could round to the nearest tens place. Now, remember we took a look at the digit that's in the place value next to it or adjacent to it, and it has to be the smaller place value, so to the right. There's a 7 there, and we know that 5 or above, you give it a shove, so this would round up to 110. Can you please try this one? Again, please make sure you're pausing whenever you need to kind of take a moment, so this would be a great time to pause and attempt. All right, let's see if you got it correct. So 101 to the nearest 10. First thing, we identify where the tens place is. We think to ourselves what two numbers this could become when rounded. So this could become 100 or it could become 110. What's in the smaller place value adjacent to it? There's a 1 there. So we know that 4 and below, we round down. So the closest that this would round to is 100. So hopefully you put 100. Well done if you did. All right, next one. Round 741 to the nearest hundreds place. So first thing we do, again, we identify where is the hundreds place. That would be here. So the two numbers this could round to is it could round to 700 or it could round to 800 to the nearest 100. So the second thing we do, again, we take a look at the place value adjacent to it. The smaller one, in this case, is a 4. So this would round down. So to the nearest 100, this would round to 700. All right, here we go. This is yours. Please take a second, pause, and try this one. All right, let's try it. So 751. Again, hundreds place. So let's identify. Hundreds is here. So that could either be 700 or it could become 800. What is in the place value? Smaller than that. So in the tens place, we have a 5. 5 or above, you give it a shove. So therefore, this is closer to 800. All right, last one. Let's take a look at the thousands place. So 729,541. Where is the thousands place? The thousands place is here. So I need to look to that digit there. Let's identify what two numbers this can become. So this can either become to the nearest 1,000, 729,000, or this could round up to a 10, which would make it become 730,000. The question is, which one would round correctly? So 5 or above, give it a shove. Therefore, to the nearest thousands place, this would be the correct round. All right, for this last question you're attempting, can you please round 799,541 to the nearest thousands? But can you please make sure when you think you have the answer, you go back to Firefly and select the correct multiple choice answer. Good luck.